So today we are going to try to make a fish aquarium for American Girl dolls using a plastic container we had already from food, and then some little eraser type fish creatures for the ocean. We got a little like squid here and a little fish, and then you can use Play-Doh or clay or probably even hot glue or whatever you want to use as the base of your inside of your fish aquarium. I'm going to use probably a couple of toothpicks to put the fish and the squid on and hot glue them onto that. Then I've got these little white foam balls that are from the dollar store. And also, if you have any kind of bubble wrap that you get and you can recycle, this one was blue, so it's going to work perfect. And then I just put paint along the base of it to give some colors that you might see in coral in the ocean. And you're going to want a hot glue gun. I've got mine here. And then, yeah, I think that's all. Some scissors. The first thing I'm going to do is put this down and measure out a space that I need to cut out the bubble wrap to put as the background for the fish tank. Okay, so I've cut out my background for my fish aquarium, and I've also put the base inside there. I'm just using Play-Doh. I know it's probably not the best to use, but that's what I'm going to try today. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our toothpicks and we're going to paint them blue. You can use paint, which I didn't mention you needing, or you can use a marker. My daughter right now is using a marker to color the toothpick blue. So now we've got our toothpicks colored with a blue marker, and then we also can go back to our pipe cleaners, and now you just kind of want to twist them around, maybe even a pencil, and to make them kind of look like some sort of plant that would be in the ocean. Now we've put our little sea creatures on the toothpicks. I hot glued them on there, but you could actually just stick it into the eraser and I think it would be just fine. I just wanted to make sure they don't fall off. And then here's the twisted pipe cleaner now ready to be an ocean plant. And I'm just going to put this all together now.